Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about a Facebook advertising course. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to go over a Facebook advertising course. You can use this course for affiliate marketing. You can use it for network marketing. You can also use it if you want to build an ad agency. I'm going to talk about that here in just a minute. The name of this course is Transcend. It's perfect, again, if you're an affiliate marketer or a network marketer, but also if you're a coach or a consultant. And the expectation is that if you're an affiliate marketer, you're going to get 1 to 2 signups per day. And if you're a network marketer, 20 to 30 signups per month. And that's being conservative. Now, the creator of this course, Brian Dixon, we'll talk about him here in just a minute, but he said when he was doing this with his wife, and she was in a network marketing company, she was getting 35 signups a day. So you can tell that Brian absolutely knows what he's doing. Also, if you are with a high-ticket program, you're going to learn how to predictably generate 10 to 20 high-ticket sales into your business every single month. That's the expectation of the course as well. Just to give you some inspiration, I'm going to share with you some stories here, a couple stories. But I know when I did some Facebook advertising years and years ago, I didn't know what I was doing. I just had somebody help me a little bit. And I know the possibilities of this because I remember how specific you can target certain categories of people and be able to make sales like on autopilot. Like I was at my daughter's tennis match and I remember the sales just coming in one after another and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. So you know the possibilities of Facebook advertising, but I wanted to share with you Lisa Ann Stock's story. She is Brian Dixon's, one of his best students, she fell in love with Facebook ads and just ran with it, and she actually teaches the tech part of this Facebook advertising course. But I wanted to share, she posted this in the Facebook group just the other day, and I have found her to be a great inspiration to me. She's so young and has had a lot of success. So let me just share with you what she wrote. She said, the truth is 4 years ago, I thought I had everything I needed. I had the perfect career, job, a good income, benefits, and weekends off. I bought my first car and was saving for a down payment on a house and following all the right steps. Everyone was always telling me how proud they were of me because of how successful I was at a young age. They were proud because I have always had my head on my shoulders. On paper, sure, my life seemed perfect, but in reality, something just wasn't right. I always woke up feeling tired, drained, and cranky. I was living my life just by going through the motions. I was living my life as a zombie. I'd wake up early, rushing to fit a workout in before I sat in rush hour for 90 minutes, hoping I wouldn't be late for work. I spent my day working in an office with no windows for 8 hours to turn around and sit in traffic for another 90 minutes. I cook myself a quick dinner, pack my meals for the next day, answer some work emails, and head off to bed. And then repeat, repeat, repeat. My life felt like an endless cycle. I was simply living life exactly as I was supposed to, following the same plan as everyone else, go to school, get a good job, get married, have a family, retire. I'm sure you guys can relate to this. I think that happens to a lot of people. You go to college, you get a job, you have bills to pay, you have to go to work, and you just get in this endless cycle. And then she said, but something with that path didn't feel right. I didn't feel truly happy. Do you? Fast forward to today. Like I said, I live the lifestyle I do today. I had to learn the skills to successfully build an online business. At the time, I wanted to build a business that allowed me to travel the world and live the laptop lifestyle. Today, my dreams are a little bit different. Not only do I run a successful 7-figure online business and marketing agency, but I've helped people earn their first $10,000, $100,000, and $1 million simply working from their laptop. And that's not all I've been able to accomplish in just 4 years. I manage over $100,000 per month on social media advertising for clients and businesses around the world. So she runs a 7-figure ad agency from what she's learned in this course. She's generated over 10 million cold leads using Facebook ads and sold over 3 million of online courses and programs while traveling the world and flown across the country. She teaches classes in private mansions, universities, and exclusive masterminds. So basically she fell in love with Facebook ads. She started generating them. She learned from Brian Dixon. She started generating her own ads for her network marketing business, and then she went on to generate ads for her team members, and then it just expanded. People would come to her, and she now does this for not only herself but for her businesses. So she earns, she has, like she said, a 7-figure online, 7-figure ad agency. So that, her story is really inspiring to me. She's only 27 years old. So I think that it's possible for anybody to do something like she's done, especially if you follow the training. This is a person in the Facebook group. He just posted this the other day. He said, some motivation, inspiration for the group. A high-level brand wanted to test me out before committing to a contract to run their Facebook ads. I normally don't do anything for free at this point, but because they were a big brand, I decided to give it a go. The result, 18 times return on investment right out of the gate. Pretty sure I'm locking this deal in. This is the power of Facebook ads when you know what you're doing. Stick with this, everybody. Let this be the mastermind. You go all in with effort-wise and see it through to nothing short of massive success. And this is the ad that he posted in the group. It may be kind of small for you to see, but the amount spent on the ad was $147.46, and the amount earned, the purchase value, was $2,800. So this is really amazing what is possible with Facebook ads. I love it too, because you can target very, very specific people and connect with the right audience. It's just amazing. This course not only is taught by Lisa Ann Stock, but it is Brian Dixon. Just some of his credentials. Brian has been in the industry for 5 years. He's generated over 8 figures in the online space by selling affiliate products and by building funnels and systems for many of his companies and clients. And obviously his specialty is Facebook ads. Because of his knowledge, his clients pay him anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 an hour for his time, and $25,000 per month for an hour a week of his time. And back to this person right here, Dan Ryder. I reached out to him and asked him, like, how much do you generally get paid by clients? I'm not sure, with this being a high-level brand, they'll probably pay him more, but he said generally it's $1,500 to $2,000 a month. Of course, they pay you that up front. So you can imagine that, you could just have a few clients and be making a full-time income. And that's truly the laptop lifestyle, because you just need an internet connection and you can run ads for clients. And a lot of businesses have no clue how to run Facebook ads. So this is really, there's a lot of possibilities with this. Not only with if you're an affiliate marketer or network marketing, but again, if you want to go on to do this for businesses. So let me just share with you what is in the course. The first week is you're going to build a foundation and develop your brand. The second week, you're going to craft your ad to attract your perfect customer and have them reach out to you. The third week, you're going to get his application funnel template and lead magnet template and customer acquisition template, and then he'll walk you through how to set it up for your business. It works in any niche. Week 4, you'll learn how to set up a simple messenger bot campaign that will qualify your leads and follow up with them on autopilot. So you're not talking to people who are not qualified to take a look at what you're offering. And then week 5, we'll walk through step by step how to set up your Facebook campaign that targets your perfect audience. And then you will turn on your lead generation machine. Week 6, it's all about sales mastery. You get his custom messenger closing script, and I'll tell you, these are very, very good, and phone scripts that have done over 8 figures in sales for him. Week 7, you want to scale your business to 7 or 8 figures and beyond. We'll cover how to optimize and scale your ads to infinity and beyond. So you find out what's working and then you scale it up. Week 8, you'll be given his personal daily action plan that allows him to work less than an hour a day while generating over $5,000 per day. So that sounds really good to me. Less than an hour a day and generating over $5,000 per day. And then this is some of the other things that he said. We'll go on for 8 weeks, like we talked about. 1 to 2 hours group coaching per week, and you'll get to ask him questions live throughout the training. And if you can't make the training, then you're going to have access to the private membership area where the training will be stored, and you'll have lifetime access. And then you have the live Q&A calls and the private inner circle mastermind as well, that you can get your questions answered in there. And excuse me, I'm a part of that mastermind. Questions are answered in there very quickly. You always have support, and you're literally be getting his personal 8-figure blueprint that he's used to build his business over the last 5 years. He leaves nothing out. They give you everything that they've used, the ad camp, everything. So on top of that, if you don't already have a offer to sell, you'll be able to relicense this Facebook advertising course and make up to 60% commissions on any of the products that you sell. And they'll show you how to do that step by step. So this Facebook advertising course has really opened up my eyes to what is possible with online marketing, because you can be talking to people all day long that are not qualified to buy your product. And when you can really scale it down to the right audience, it's amazing what is possible. And that's what Lisa's been able to do. That's what Brian's been able to do. And when you have the right training, the possibilities are endless. And then, like I said, if you want to go on and take the skill that you're learning and do Facebook ads for businesses or just other individuals, you can make a full-time income doing that. So you don't have to go back to college and get a better degree. You can just learn from this course and be able to do it from your home or wherever you want to, and be able to travel. But included in this Facebook advertising course, it's called Transcend. There's a lot of other different things, and I wanted to share with you what else you get in here. If you're with affiliate marketing, you're going to learn exactly how to set up your business as far as your funnels, your autoresponder. And then this is the Facebook ads right here, the High Ticket Traffic Academy. This is the 8-figure mastermind group with the Facebook ads course. And then Brian also teaches chatbot profits. And then this is my mentor Joshua Elder, his tube traffic selling system. This free marketing method has allowed me to earn over $43,000 in the last 12 months just from this free advertising, and I'm really excited about scaling up to the paid marketing as well as the paid with the YouTube ads. That's coming soon. It's going to be taught by Josh as well, and I see the possibilities with that as well. I'm really excited about that. And then if you do want to relicense the Transcend, you can learn how to set up your affiliate site, get sales today, launch jacking, his product review case study. That's been very, very successful for me in solo ad training. So that's the other things that you get in here besides the high ticket traffic mastery. You can see that we are through week 5 now, and it's all recorded in here. And then the Facebook mastermind group, like I said, you can get your questions answered in there very quickly by Brian or Lisa or other members of the group. As far as the cost, it is not inexpensive. I would say it's probably comparable to a semester of college, but when you put that in perspective of, I paid $15,000 a year to get my master's in physical therapy, and if I want to make more money with my job, I can work 40 hours a week, or I can get another job on the weekends, which I definitely wouldn't want to do. But if you have a job that pays you maybe $50,000 a year and you want to go back to college and get a better paying job, you're going to have to pay a lot of money in tuition, but you're not going to have the freedom. Along with getting a better paying job comes more responsibilities, more hours, more time away from your family. And so I think that paying, to get this Facebook advertising course and mastering this skill not only will allow you to make a lot more money, but also give you that freedom that you could travel and do the things that you want to do. I know a lot of people that you see traveling, they do Facebook advertising, and they do run an ad agency. It doesn't have to be a huge one, but you could just have a few clients a month and be able to make a full-time income. Not only to mention, if you do have a network marketing or affiliate marketing business, you can generate leads and sales for that as well. So there's a lot of possibilities with it, and I'm really, really excited about this course. So how do you get started? You're going to click on the link, the first link in the description below the video, and then we can chat on Facebook Messenger, see if you're a good fit for this. This isn't going to be for everybody, but I just wanted to share this with you guys if you're looking for a way that you want to eventually get out of your job, and this is a pretty surefire way if you follow the training and you learn this skill that you can make some really good money with this. So again, I just wanted to share that with you because I think a lot of people are out there looking for something that's really going to help them to replace their income. So I hope you guys found some value in this Facebook advertising course. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below this video. And again, if you want to get started, click on the first link in the description below the video. With that being said, this is Karen Miro signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.